So for this particular question, we are asked in which circuit is the potential difference between P and Q greater than 0. So for this, the first thing that we want to do is we want to ask ourselves what is the potential difference across each resistor. Now we have 6 volts which is being shared by 10 and 5, okay, in a ratio of 1:2. Alright, so this means that we have 4 volts here and 2 volts here. And same thing, because identical, right? 4 volts here and 2 volts here. And now, if we take a look at the potential at P and Q, alright, if we have 6 volts to start off with, we use up 4, means at P we have 2 volts. At Q, we also have 2 volts. Alright, now, the potential difference is therefore 2 minus 2, which is 0. So this is out. And you notice that for B, we have the same scenario. We have 2 volts potential difference, 2 volts PD across the 5, 4 volts here, 4 volts here. Potential here is 4 volts, potential here is 4 volts. And when we minus off, there is going to be 0 PD between here and here. So this is also going to be out. Alright. So now, same thing, 10 ohm, 10 ohm. They are splitting 6 volts equally. So we have 3 volts, 3 volts, and 5 ohm, 5 ohms also splitting 3 volts, 3 volts. Potential here is 3 volts, potential here is 3 volts. And of course, when we minus, we also have 0 volts. So by elimination, answer is. So let's check. Okay, we know that in a 5-10 configuration, we have 2 volts and 4 volts. And since it's a 10-5 configuration, 4 volts and 2 volts. Potential at P, if I have 6, I use up 2, I will have 4 volts. Then if I have 6, I use up 4, I will have 2 volts here. So when we minus off, we have a 2 volt potential difference between P and Q. So answer is definitely going to be